Oh.
It's dangerous. Good thing you got your wading boots on. Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. We are heading over here on the spur, right past Marathon here. Basically, as soon as you get onto the spur, out of Pigeon Forge for a vehicle that has gone off the embankment. Got 3 trucks here. It's supposed to be bad, so we're gonna see what we can do. Take some engineering, I think. It's gonna take something. How are you?
Oh, not too bad. How are you?
Good.
Oh.
He walked away from this. Did you show this right here? Crazy.
Good thing you got your wading boots on. Yeah.
I'm assuming we're gonna wanna be blocking this. Yeah. He's already got this one lane blocked. I think we could probably just stick in this one lane and get it. Yeah.
At least if we get it to this bank, and then we can go that way with it.
Right. He walked away from this.
That's amazing.
Did he say what happened?
Well, I'm guessing the road was slick, came around that corner hot, and missed his turn.
I wonder if we could get this lane right here to get it rolled over.
Get it rolled over first and then start pulling.
You might be able to get set right up there. I accidentally grabbed that one side from like out of the lane here. It might roll over if we can get that far, just that far corner. I think it'd be.
I bet you could because of all the rocks and the creek.
Yeah, that'll be the plan then. We'll get it, see if we can upright it right there, and then we can get it to this landing and then go that way with it. One lane probably. I think we can do it without taking a lane, as long as nobody slides into it. We'll probably be really close. I'll probably need to be right.
I'll turn it off back up.
Yeah, I think I still want to keep this lane closed. Yeah, just the early morning traffic. I hate to do that to you guys. Yeah. That sounds good. So I'll get set up and get the tables done. Stay put. Yeah.
I'm gonna move. He's gonna want to use his.
Yeah.
dangerous.
Probably, yeah, just that one right there on that side. You can just hook into that. I would.
my lip liner?
Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are over here on, where are we going? Where are we going, sweetie?
I don't know where we're going.
I do always know where we're going. No, I always have the directions pulled up.
Oh! Just keep driving and it's up here somewhere. Do your intro.
Guys, welcome back to the channel.
Can you drive any less bumpy?
Going over here to do a lockout, I believe, on, where are we going? Some campground road. We got a call. We'll see what we can do.
Site number 82.
Do you know where site 82 is?
Nope. I sure don't. We're just gonna drive around and keep looking. Oh. Oh, man.
Is this fine?
That's fine. Park it. All right. You're gonna need your big stiffy.
I'll get them. Will you lift your seat though?
Big stiffy. Okay. Their pouches should be in the. Go ahead and grab them. Sorry. They should be in this thing.
In here?
Yeah. Oh, no, they're not.
They would be if you put them back where they are supposed to go.
Yeah, you're right. How's it going, man?
Yeah. I thought, man, this never happens. I have another truck. You know what's in the bed of it?
Oh,
the
no.
toolbox.
Oh, no.
I guess I manually hit the
those
door.
are some dark windows.
Yeah. If you got a one up, this will be the door I don't open
I'm
anyway.
not gonna mess any of them up. This is only my first lockout.
Yeah, this one right here is the door I don't hardly use anyway.
Yeah. Nah, it'll be right. Do you know where the keys are?
They're in the.
I'm just gonna get
the
this
key to
started for you.
You know
Yeah.
what I mean? They're in the switch.
There are, okay, cool. I always do the bigger.
It'd be. I said, what is in my pocket?
Very rarely, there's only been one that I've unlocked that I've had to use the key fob and it was in the seat,
Oh yeah.
but it's kind of crazy.
Yeah, I called people forward because I should know because we get people. I work at the fire department, you know that.
Really?
And people call all the time. Do you do that? We will if there's a kid in it. But
Yeah.
We break a window.
Yeah. Oh man.
We got it's like a terry cloth is what I call it. Cheesecloth we'll put over and we'll just shatter the window and it falls straight in.
Yeah.
Severely used to because I've been locked out a few times.
Yeah.
I have one of those aftermarket alarm systems on my S10.
Yeah.
It all the time will lock you out.
Man.
I was trying to think if I had a spare. I'm not even sure I have a spare set of keys to it.
Really?
After I called, I do have a spare set in Kodak.
Oh man.
Ain't nobody coming this way today. And we're big fans of YouTube channel.
Oh,
Watch
really?
it, at least 2 times a week.
Well, thank you so much. We appreciate you. You're definitely going on YouTube.
I've met your dad and your mom several times. We seen them at Home Depot like last year.
Oh, really?
But we're not the time to walk up and talk to people. You know,
Yeah.
they was definitely busy.
I think they're over at Home Depot right now, actually.
Do cabin maintenance before I got on the fire department, and
Really?
I would see your dad out there all the time.
Yeah.
People get locked out of their cars all the time. And I thought, man, these people are so stupid.
Dude, I'm telling you, people are ridiculous. Okay, so I use my hand right here, and I kind of like guide. Can you see the unlock button?
I can't. Can you see it?
Yes.
Oh, I
So
see
you
it. I see it. Hold on. Can you put your hand back there?
Sorry to keep you waiting, man.
Dude, you pretty quick. We was just setting up.
Yeah.
I just pulled it up. I guess I got out to move my keys, but hit the lock button.
Oh man, it happens.
Usually this model don't lock if the keys in there.
Yeah. I thought that oh, you locked your phone in there too?
Yeah.
That's
That'd be
tough. You make fun of me. I locked myself out of the truck a couple of days ago, and I was like showing up to a police call in the other truck, and the police officer's making fun of me, and
Yeah, I don't know how I did that.
it happens. Let me see if I can grab your receipt real quick, man.
You think you can do it again without helping out?
I think so. I've seen him do it a few times,
Yeah.
but
Well, see, the worst thing about this one is I bought this truck from a friend, and he's had it like 9 years. And when I got it, the windows would roll down, so I had to put all new motors, all new door locks.
oh
The
no.
only one I hadn't got to is the power lock for this one don't work. So I was like, you got one up. This one. This was the one I was going to break, and I was like, man, I don't want to.
Dude, glass is kind of expensive nowadays too. Get somebody to put it in.
Do cash, keep the change.
You
sure, man?
Oh man, 100%.
Alrighty. Well, thank you guys so much.
Make the YouTube famous.
Thank you so much.
Man, I appreciate it.
Do you want to see?
No.
You don't need anything like that?
I don't need proof of this happening.
Nope. Never happened. Never happened.
Maybe nobody I know watches.
I don't know, there's baby geese over there too. I don't think that's the noise they make. You can't park like that. All right, guys, you know what it is. We're hungry over here at Mountain Breakfast. Just got done pulling that stupid F-150 out of the creek. Now we're gonna go over here and see.
You said you were too dirty. You couldn't come in here.
No. Yeah, probably. I'm still eating. Sweet omelets. Chicken and waffles. Breakfast burrito.
Guys, no, I had no idea. I was like,
B's and G's.
the label. So